So in this video, I'm going to teach you all about how to choose the colors that you want to use for your brand. And then once we do that, you're going to want to put them somewhere. So stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to wrap all of this up and do all of that and like create your own branding guide for your business. I'm Blogging Brandy and this is BLABoss, where I teach you all about how to brand your business like a boss. Let's talk about colors. So what's the most important thing about branding colors? You really only want to use about 1 to 3 primary colors for your brand.
Otherwise, you're going to confuse the out of people. They're not going to know what you're doing, what's going on, who you are.
And your brand colors really symbolize with people who you are and what your business is about. You want to be consistent in the colors that you're using. How many times do you see brands use completely different colors? If you go to McDonald's and they had a purple logo, you'd be like, what's going on around here? Now, when I'm talking about consistency, that has to do with your website and your social media headers, your graphics that you're creating. You want to keep all of these colors consistent, even on your business card, your flyers, like everywhere that you'd be using these colors. Now, you probably are like, Brandy, you're telling me so much about colors and that's amazing, but how do I find these colors? How do I find colors for my brand? Well, you're in luck, because I've already done all the hard work for you. And
normally, what I would do is just Google it.
So the way that I usually will do it is just go to Google and I'll look up hex code finder, Pantone, color code finder, or something like that. And you'll see all kinds of stuff pop up where you can essentially either pick out your colors or you can use a really cool tool like the one Canva has, canva.com, Canva. They have this amazing tool that what you can do is take your picture and you just drop it in to the file and it loads and says, hey, here's all the colors that I found in this picture that you gave me. And you can find a picture on maybe a competitor that you like, their logo and colors from. It could be the same field or someone completely different. Or it could be a picture maybe that you found on Pinterest. And it doesn't have to be a logo or anything like that. It could be a picture of a flower or a pillow or walls or some type of color pattern that you like, but you can just drop it into this little color code finder that Canva has, and it's amazing, and it just makes you your whole color palette, and it tells you all the color codes that you know, and then you can just take that and you put that in your branding guide. Branding kit. Your branding kit. You put that in your branding kit. But I'm putting links to like all that fun stuff down below so you can check all that out. Now you know how to find your brand colors. And after you've gotten your colors, you want to make sure that you can put those colors into your logo, and you want to make sure you have a name for your business and do all this great stuff to essentially build your brand. But how do you do that? My boss branding guide to help walk you through the process and do all this super simple, super fast. You can do that in the description below this video, or you can visit my website, BLABoss, BLABOSSINC, BLABossinc.com. That's pretty much it. So if you like this video, hit the like button below and let me know. If you have a comment, I didn't answer your question, or you have another question, comment below. I love to read your comments. I'm Blogging Brandy. This is BLABoss, where I teach you all about how to brand like a boss and get people to blab about it, right? Because that's what we want people to do. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
You're looking at the branding boss. Right here, branding boss. I don't know if you know, but I wrote a book on it. Wrote a book.